Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you what you can do if your AdSense application rejected from Google. So you will get error message like this, and that error message contain what is the issue, but the question is it's not so easy to understand. So there has few ways to find the exact issue with your website. First way is ask AdSense community. So I will put link on description to go this page. This is AdSense community page. Only you have to do put your error message here and press enter. So you will see lot of results according to your searches. When people get error message from Google AdSense, they will add it to community, and if you go inside that error message, there has reply, that means issue to those websites. So if you didn't find the correct answer to your question, only you have to do create new thread and add your question here. To create new thread, go to help center and scroll down. After that, click ask the help community. Then put your error message here and click continue. Then you can select category. So category will be site approval. Then you can select platform. Platform is web for this example. Then click on continue. Then in here you can describe your question. Most importantly, when you describe it, add the image. Add the screenshot of your AdSense error message. Get a screenshot like this and add it here. When you click this attach file icon, you can add that error message. Also add your website URL. Then click on I am not robot. After that, click on post. So you will get answers to your question, and you can reply back to those answers if you didn't find right answer. But somehow if you still didn't find any answer, you can Google the error message. So if I Google that error message, I will see those kind of results. So go through those results, and if you still didn't find the answer, you can join with Reddit. Go to Reddit and search AdSense. Actually you need account to ask the question on Reddit, so create Reddit account. I already have video about Reddit. By the way, click on communities and users. Then you will see lot of subreddit related to AdSense. So join with those subreddit and ask your question. Definitely you will get the answer. But if you still didn't get the answer, go to Quora and add your answer. Sorry, not answer, add your question. So just click add question and fill those steps. So I am not going to show it deeply, because definitely when you do those three things, you will get the answer to why your AdSense application reject. So when you ask question on Google AdSense community, some members say your website is not good, your website had those issues, so don't apply AdSense, AdSense not supported to your website, or some kind of negative feedback. Those feedback come from Google members, Google employee, or some people like that. But don't listen to those kind of negative people, because definitely you can fix the issue of your website and reapply again. So don't listen to negative people. If your application reject once, definitely try again, and if you reject it again, try again. My Google AdSense application reject for 3 times, but after 5th time I get the AdSense approval to one of my website. So never give up, and don't listen to those negative people who work on Google. I don't know, I don't have word to describe those people. By the way, definitely try, you will one day fly. So this is the video. I hope you get valuable information, and I will see you in next one. Bye bye.